My Lord, I know the Nilundi old boys and old girls ka ha nwee ike kwuo ofe okwu ma ọ bụ the dog daalụ.
5 cents. I can't do why I took to clean wine. Above an I never got the CVC, I have the stress back. By the time I go back, I know what you will see projects. The chat and the well, what you had the stress, I know no more now. But here you know about I said I want 150,000. I hear what I from this group. Well, we look some choose. Thank you very much.
And I'm back here. Barrister and Mrs. Chukunonso Chumwoba, 10,000 naira. Thank you. Naira. Where lunch go there. My Lord, in the new Ngozi. Also, actually, no words. No blood, so no one, no action they prove. No blood, so words. Dalon, thank you. Thank you. I can aganiru na launching. Onye ọbụla sister tụrụ aka inye account number. Eze Mogo, enwe onye ọzọ mmenye gwa m. Ị na-anya enwe onye ọzọ mmenye. Ị na-agwa m ka ndị Nursery 2 na-akwadobe. Parents, enwe onye chọrọ ikwu okwu. Mmebia side a, ịma na ndị a na ukwu fruit na ukwu osisi va na-apa ike dị egwu. Mana elu ofe nọchalụ. You know, what the brochure? Hey, Daddy, Daddy, good afternoon, sir. Huh? Hey, Daddy, need to report. Only the sum of 5,000 naira cash when I launch because I go on the aka. Agwa m na ndị ukwu osisi pa ike dị egwu. Nye n'anya nọ n'iwu banye eji eme business kọsọsọ anya nkụzi. Mommy anyị ya na abịa ha ji the sum of 3,000 naira cash wee na launch. Mommy, nyakwa inye gị ya. Makwa ma ọ chọrọ ọzọ ụfọdụ ezuru unu. Onye ka ya eweta? Ama m na imego n'imekwa ọzọ Soludo echegolo gọvanọ na-achọ second tenor. Barrister Obi, Your Excellency, only the sum of 25,000 naira when I launch brochure. Recorders, take notes. Mr. Peter Obi, His Excellency, thank you. Thank you. Mommy, when I was on a girl side, Nursery 2, Anna Bodobe, Nursery 2, who are barrister? On with them. Mommy, Bobo, see mommy and launcher. Nursery 2, put our son on the go. Don't worry, my sister. Nursery 2, Biko o nwere ịchọ ikwu okwu ebe a. Agụ nna ya ngwa. 10,000 anakwụkwọ aka ebe. Obere nwaanyị 10,000 isi parents nọ na Mrs. Nkiru Ozekwe 10,000 naira. Thank you. Sister na-ekele gị. Biko ndị Nursery 2 ga-abata nkịta anụwa. In anya, you can see how beautifully dressed they are. Wonderful children. Yes, this school is doing very, very well. Ndị Nursery 2 ngwa onye ya abata nkịta anụwa. My Lord, Majezi ka retire Zena MC of the occasion Abjago. Etu chairman si wee bịa. Barrister hand anya over. And my hand is over to the MC. And ndị gboro ndị na one akwụgo. Ụgbọ n'ọgwụ. Kare kezi na tola bu me mo ya ro. Ka mo gbo ogu. Ana wo le ni ile won ogu. Ogu ago. Ai na ekele. Dalo so. Ogu ago. Isimbia. Ewo ya to ma ga ngo kere ma ka olo. Kezi. Obele nwa nye 10,000. Odeka. No Buhari na-achị ndị Nursery 2 batawanye ozugbo Nursery 2 thank you.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, then our candidate will be Nursery 2. Look at how beautiful dressed they are. Mama. Yes. Beautiful children. The Nursery 3, the Nursery 2 pupils. Beautiful. And our Bombay Nursery 2. Wonderful. Oh, Mama.
Share your love with one another. Let the light shine.
Also, share the love with one another.
Shine, oh mother, let the light shine. Oh, let it shine. Oh mother, let the light shine. Jesus, people come together. Let the light shine. Share your love with one another. Let the light shine. Oh, let it shine. Oh, mother, let the light shine. Oh, let it shine. Oh, mother, let the light shine.
Put your hands together for them. Beautiful children.
Good afternoon, Ogan. This is Nigel. My heart is better to you. This is Ogan. I'm classy. Watch out.
Napana presented the word sign. Welcome to our 40th year graduation and anniversary. And Akuboda came back because oh, beautiful children. These are the Nursery 2 pupils. Bring it down. Bring it down. Nose. Ana buru the sense organ. Nose. Ana eji nose emegini to smell. Ear is used for hearing. Eye is used for seeing. The five sense organ. Skin is used for feeling. Tongue is used for testing. A round of applause for these beautiful children, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Royal Highness, give you one you go. Get it, Royal Highness. Oh, organ because DJ Tielu will go out of Abata. Oh, put your hands together for him. I can dress myself to school. I can dress myself to school. With a sum of 5,000 naira. How do you put it? I can dress myself down here, remember. Yes. Our guests now posting. Because when I'm even done, I now put it up on the wall. I'm looking at those that can dress well. If I did you that, I'll call you. Yes. Face this side, face this. Not really easy. For that, keep a show one day, okay, come and show your child love. It is not easy. That is to show you that this school is doing well. This school is doing well. Yes. You can see how fast they are. That is to say, Biko, can we move back? Biko, please, let's move back. People are blocking those watching from there. Please, let's move back. Biko, God bless you. God bless you. Biko, God bless you. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, I love this boy. Come and show these people some love. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, let's go. All right. These children. Come and show these children love. God bless you. Say, That's for Jesus.
I'm feeling so lost. The more that gets the lost, this is me past the love. Show me how to love. That's my love. The more that gets the love, cause you switch me past the love. My yellow
Ladies and gentlemen, you can see that your child can do well. Yes, sir. Yes,
I'm losing focus. I'm feeling so lost. Them other girls they lost. Cause you switch me past the lost. Show me how to love. Them other girls they lost. Cause you switch me past the lost. That's for Jesus. That's for Jesus. That's for Jesus. That's for Jesus. That's for Jesus.
Thank Jesus. My Lord is Sister Anne will be our professor. Ndị kwebe a ka bụkwa data alumni. Anyị sị ka anyị nyere ha efe. Anyị nwa nwekwa program nke anyị today, 30 years anniversary. I see ya that one. We left July 1995. So, ka anyị jebe ebe nke anyị kwadoro n'onwe anyị. Anyị na-asịkwa onwe ndị alumni anyị nwere ka ha si kwado ọfụma. Ha dị akwụkwọ chief. Na ọ bịa ka ha entertain nke onye. That's one. Number two, gonna be continuing to see this program. We will still get back to everybody, our teachers, our sisters. But we can't do the sister Anne. So I see no way how you tell you. We will still come back to them. So we want to encourage the best students in Igbo language from primary 1 to primary 6. My sister I think 10,000 naira each for every student from primary 1 to primary 6. Because we can put our look as 5 graduates, 5 worked at the best student. Sister Diana, thank you very much.
Oh, baby, I'm God, and I can listen, my people.
Greetings, everyone. I'm a member on behalf of 2003 sets, and also the best outstanding students in all the classes. The sum of 50,000. Thank you.
board and offer one with the best students in maths and English who have studied their scores there. 80-90 on the 2003. And I've been doing it for 2 years now. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. 1996.
Set. I think very one of the strongest for now. I had to go for 5 years. Before the 95 we became. I see that for each set. I am trying to get discuss sister. I qualify them as a set. I try to make a balaba. I put on that and why. I know that's how I do this. So just for the occasion today, I give 50,000 when Aquadiana. And I let us say we online at Christmas. And Japan say hi to me as a set. Thank you so much.
Ụfọdụ ihe na-eme nna m mụtara seminarị wee ebe a ka m bido ma kibọọdụ na agụ ebe a ka anyị bido kwa kibọọdụ were ebe anyị seminarị tọrọzi agaba alụbụ m airboy here alụbụ m SP wee kwabam wee na-aga so anyị very happy na idea ka anyị rejoice ya with ndị ka nọ n'ogo encourage love dị very important ọ bụrụ onye na-egocha agbasacha and ka anyị si bịa ka anyị support onye ya na-atụ onye ọbụla nakwa n'ebe ọ gụchara akwụkwọ ebe dị iche iche go and identify with them ha n'idiri ya achịkọta ọnụ ọmụọ mfara na enwere m gold and silver mana ama m na nke anyị jika bụ blessing to go spiritual so ma agọzi unu gọzikwa onwe masị onye alụmdi wee na-eme wee na-aga my lord ọ gara n'iru thank you my lord Emakari na ahụ onwe anyị isebe anọ na-arụghị anyị onye anyị na-enyere ụlọ Chineke jikere anyị na-ekele gị maka ohere nyere anyị ikwurịta onwe anyị n'anya ejikọta onwe anyị wee bịa n'ụlọ akwụkwọ ebe a dịrị wee zụọ anyị wee nyekwa anyị ha itinyesi wee bụrụ mmadụ ụbọchị nke taata anyị na-ayọgo obi aṅụrị anụna ịfụnanya anụna na-agọnarịrị anyị bụ onyekwazị okwukwe anyị dịka esi wee zụta anyị ebe anọ dịka ndị ụka na ndị Nwachukwu dozie ezinụlọ anyị dị iche iche gozikwa mba anyị na-agba n'ọrụ aka anyị ka anyị na-agba ịfụ na ọnụ nwere ihe ọ na-eri gozie ụmụ anyị gozikwa nzukọ nsọ Katọlik nke dị n'ọkara Diocese gozikwa ndị sista anyị gozikwa ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị ka anyị si n'ike na-abanye n'ike site na Kristi onyenwe anyị Chineke jikere na-egosi na ezigbo nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ ekele ụlọ They came to present their farewell address. All right, go on.
A farewell address presented by the Christian people on the occasion of their graduation ceremony. This day, 23rd July 2025. Your last Most Reverend Dr. Hollywood Chukwuemeka Ezukafo, Bishop of Aka Diocese, the Superior General of the German Agency, the Provincial Superior, Reverend Sister Rosemary Okata, Father, the Cathedral Administrator, Very Reverend Father Anthony Nwafo, our chaplain, Reverend Father Mark Obiarike, Reverend Fathers, Brothers and Sisters, the chairman of today's occasion, Chief Sir Eric Tuzobe Chukwuobi, special guest of honor, His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi, Chief Sir Augustine Ibeme, Honorable Sir Stanislas Nnaka, Prince Chinedu Okafor, Mayor of Ota, mothers and fathers of the day, our dear headmistress, Reverend Sister Kalmari, Oberodu, ladies and gentlemen, we stand before you as proud people of Ahmed Infant Jesus, Loving and Basic School, Oka. We have been in Loving for good 3 years. Some of us started when we were barely babies. Yes, we are able to feel free. As we graduate today, we thank of all. This is express our gratitude to God for seeing us through this successful completion of the first level of education. We also wish to thank our indefatigable Reverend Sister Sanamari Oberodu, the head teacher of this great citadel of learning, for the way he has been loving us. Thirdly, we need to thank our teachers for the wonderful role they played in our lives. We must not forget to thank the non-teaching staff, whose efforts cannot be overemphasized in the running of the school. Lastly, our gratitude goes to our dear parents who have nurtured us, paid our school fees, and complemented the training given to us by our teachers. May God reward you abundantly. How time flies. To think that we have spent 3 good years in lovely school. Some of us started attending this school even before we were born. Do you want to know how? Our elders attended this school. We follow our mothers to bring and take them back home. That is when we are staying in our mother's home. In conclusion, we would like all here to join us and hail our school. We love you, Ahmed Infant Jesus, loving.
Biko, come and show these wonderful girls some love. Now, this is Oma Foto Ibo na say passes. Eh?
We love you. We honor you. We are proud of our spiritual and academic background. You are parents. We shall represent you wherever we shall be.
Biko, kwa no paka.
What kind of child are you raising? What legacy are you giving your children? Are you teaching them the ways of the Lord? Are you raising a godly seed? Or are you letting society, friends, relatives, and internet dictate to you how to raise your child? A child is a gift from God, and it's your responsibility as a parent to raise up that child right. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 6 says, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he grows up, he will not depart from it.
Wonderful.
Dear parents, develop a relationship with God so that you can influence your child to have one with Him too. Let your child know that that they are fearfully and wonderfully made. Teach them to know who they are in Christ and take their place. Speak into your child's life what you want them to be. Stop using negative and derogatory comments to your children. Remember that there is power in your tongue. Teach them to pray. Your child is not too young to do exploits for God.
Please a round of applause for this wonderful boy. Ona no give up.
Remember David and Goliath, someone who advised us as a young boy. Joseph who trusted in God through all his childhood, and he never compromised. Even the little boy who gave Jesus fish and bread, he knew that the master had need of it, and he gave. My dear parents, be careful what your child does on the internet, what they watch on TV, and which books they are exposed to. Teach them to know what is right and what is wrong, so that even when you are not there, they will make the right decision. Does your child trust you? Do they confide in you? Who do they talk to when they are in trouble? Do they talk to their friends? Do they talk to you?
Please a round of applause. Ona no go ask our parents because even no matter how busy you are, that you should always do what? Be close to your children.
Today, we know to ask God for help. My dear parents, stop having favorites amongst your children. Love them all equally and always correct them with love. Bring them to church at all times and make sure they are not playing while the messages or prayers are going on. My dear parents, what do you need from God while raising that child? If you need help, He is your helper in times of weakness. If you need money, He is your provider. If you need wisdom, He is the only wise God. If you need, He will be your strength. If family and friends forsake you, He will never leave you.
Please a round of applause. Wonderful.
My dearest parents, raise up godly seed. Raise up a generation that will proclaim Jesus to the world. A generation that will stand firm in faith, even in the face of all the organities in the world. A generation that will do exploits for God because they know their God. My fellow mommies and daddies, I challenge you today. Raise up godly seed. Raise up godly seed. Raise up generals for Christ. Thank you and may God bless you all.
Amen. Because my fellow dearest yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. They did the parents amen and one you never. Hey, to never believe that show one the Lord. Hey, yes sir, mommy. Hey, okay, Jesus remembers with 3 problems. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Shake the body, 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 shake the body. Yes sir, yes sir. These are the teachers. Make them sure that they are well spread out. They should spread out so that their parents can locate them easily. Yes, yes. Okay. I want to carry my love. The karaoke team, get ready. The best team and the karaoke team, get ready. Can you put that time? Enough for that, enough for that. That's for that. They are keep showing why you want to love. Nothing about easy.
This graduation ceremony. We debate for pupils are here to present a debate on the topic that says social media platforms should be blamed for children's bad behaviors influenced by its content. On my right hand side, I have the proposition team, by name the lead speaker, the first supporting speaker, and the second supporting speaker. While by my left hand side, I have the opposition team, by name the lead speaker, the first supporting speaker, and the second supporting speaker, and the timekeeper. I am Action, I am the moderator. I call upon the timekeeper to tell us the modalities of this debate.
Biko, Emana, this is your car number. Anambra AGU/181NC. Biko, Asekibia, Move, Motogi, Kamadopo, and this one, Lagos. Okay.
My name is Wonderful Calvin. I am the timekeeper of this debate. Now, listen to the modalities of this debate. The lead speaker will speak for 5 minutes, while other speakers will speak for 4 minutes each. When I clap and wave once, the speaker summarizes your points. When I clap and wave twice, the speaker's time is up. Thank you. The speaker from the proposition team. I'm a panel of adjudicator, my accurate timekeeper, the moderator, and you ladies and gentlemen. As the lead speaker for the proposition team, I will throw more light on the key points of the topic, while the first supporting speaker elaborates on our points, and the second supporting speaker concludes. Now, the reason why I'm standing here before you is to strongly propose the topic which says social media platforms should be blamed for children's bad behavior influenced by its content. Before I marshal out my point, I would like to define what is social media. Social media are websites or applications which allow users to share content, communicate with others, and build online communities. Content is the subject or idea contained in something which can be written, said, created, or represented. Therefore, social media platforms show online harassment, which can contribute to delinquency, which can contribute to feelings of isolation, anger, and frustration in children. Platforms should be held accountable for such content and not doing enough to regulate it effectively. With these few points, I believe you now agree with me that the impact of social media on children is unarguable and accountability is the only way forward. Thanks. Position team. Timekeeper, please tell us how many minutes you spent. The lead speaker from the proposition team spent 2 minutes 50 seconds speaking. Thanks. Thank you, the timekeeper. I call upon the lead speaker from the opposition team to tell us his points.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman, panel of adjudicators, the moderator, my accurate timekeeper, and my friends in arguments. I am standing here to oppose the motion which states social media platforms should be blamed for children's bad behavior influenced by its content. As we know, social media platforms are online tools that allow people to create, show, and exchange information through its content races. These platforms include Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and so on. Let me then marshal out my points. Firstly, individual responsibilities. In this era of technology, when social media cannot be held responsible for any bad behavior, a child decides to exhibit just because he or she saw it online. Children should be disciplined and responsible enough to know that what is displayed on the social media platforms influence them. Secondly, parental guidance. Children delinquency is an issue that cannot be attributed by social media platforms. Parents and guardians have a responsibility to ensure that children are not exposed to harmful contents. In conclusion, children should be taught critical thinking skills to navigate online content. With these unarguable points of mine, I am sure that you are convinced that social media platforms should not be blamed for children's bad behavior influenced by its content.
Round of applause for this.
Wow, what an amazing speech. Thank you, the lead speaker from the opposition team. Timekeeper, please tell us how many minutes you spent. The lead speaker from the opposition team spent 1 minute 33 seconds speaking. Thanks. Thank you, the timekeeper. I call upon the first supporting speaker from the proposition team. Good afternoon, Honorable Chairman, ladies and gentlemen. Still maintaining our stance in proposing the motion which states that social media platforms should be blamed for children's bad behavior influenced by its content. We all can at least the social media platform are filled with violent videos, harmful crime, and criminal glorification of different sorts, and are easily available to minors. This platform, I must point out, fails to regulate harmful friends and youth, stay in their prime, one particularly variable to many them. In addition, different behavior are being normalized in this social media platform, and these have brought about the rise in rebellious behavior and the lies in the lives of the youth. These young people seeking validation imitate this behavior without understanding the consequences and negative impact it will have on their future. Again, social media become more influential than parents or teachers. Teens now turn to social media influencers and online personals to guide them. These influencers more often promote risky, illegal, and illegal lifestyle. Furthermore, let us not forget that these social media platforms are owned and run by some of our parents who only focus on the monetary aspect of venturing into this line of business and give no consideration to the negative influence it will have on our TV youth. With this viewpoint, I strongly maintain that social media platforms should be blamed for children's bad behavior influenced by its content. Thanks.
Please a round of applause for them. Call on
Wow, what a nice speech. Thank you, the first supporting speaker from the proposition team. Timekeeper, please tell us how many minutes you spent. The first supporting speaker from the proposition team spent 1 minute 25 seconds speaking. Thanks. Thank you, the timekeeper. I call upon the first supporting speaker from the opposition team. Thank you, the moderator, for giving me this opportunity to marshal off my points, standing on the existing protocol. Building on the arguments presented by our lead speaker, I would like to further emphasize that social media are not to be held accountable and not to be blamed. Children's delinquency is influenced by a wide range of factors, including socio-economic conditions, family dynamics, mental health, and peer relationships. Social media are just one potential fact or among many, and it is unfair to place zero responsibility on them. I heard my opponents saying that social media are filled with violent videos, pranks, and criminal glorifications of different sorts, which are made available for the children to watch. But he forgot that these things that are found on social media platforms are actually what happens in different homes and communities. Most children are living in a violent home, and society is full of criminal acts, which these children are often exposed to in their environment. So how do we do now? Exonerate the physical and social environment to blame social media.
I heard my friends in argument saying that social media have become more influential than parents or teachers. But I put this to you, that is because parents or teachers have failed in their primary duty as the children's mentors or guardians. Most schools no longer pay much attention to the children's morals. They neglect the very important aspects of the child's formation and focus just on the academics, forgetting that to educate a person in mind and not in morals is to educate a man and to the society. Also, parents are now too busy pursuing their career and money and then neglecting their first assignment as parents. Again, some of these parents are the ones exposing their children to this rebellious content on social media. Therefore, parents and teachers should do their work properly in guiding these children rightly. And trust me, they will not be influenced by whatsoever they see on social media platforms. In conclusion, blaming social media for children's bad behavior oversimplifies a complex issue. And I strongly maintain that social media should be held accountable. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this debate. Thanks for listening.
Biko Kuala Nupaka, a round of applause. A round of applause for them. This is the debate team from Basic 4. Yes, Biko, ndị ọzọ anyị ga-anabata kịta bụ ndị ga-enye anyị mkparịta ụka. Biko kama ọsịsọ ndị mkparịta ụka.
Representative of Commissioner for Education, the PTA chairman, please join the cutting of the cake. The chairman of Alumni Association, please come forward. The chairman of the alumni. 20, 30, 35, 38, 39, 40. Thank you. Thank you. Because I got Mozilla and I can't even say it in a cake. Chairman, sir, when you sit down, Nolana, Kagin on your baby boys. I don't know one even this. Cake or you get you a mania.
Absolute cake will go. Absolute cake will there. I never wanted to be, but I recognize our tradition. Omogo. Apandi will not be.
Okay, the ones who can warrior. Okay, the ones who can ask people.
On me, but you need it.
Oh, come on.
Okay, what I need to be. Want to be short and other people. What I see, what we take. On behalf of my family and I, Chief also Ugonabo, as well where the sum of 50,000 naira cash.
And I'm going about 50,000 naira cash. Hey, Omogo.
Omoga amaka no pwe no ele obi ndo gede na abata
nna lokwu ichi ogede wa azuka ifugo ibe na ere na ogbo ama m na ogbo ada amasị papa dokwa ọfụma Ondo gene beba. Ine pani afu na papa dokwa ọfụma. Ogene be. There. Ogene boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, good day.
Chairman of the occasion, we have 40 years anniversary with graduation.
with agụmakwụkwọ na nkwado ndị ọzọ. Then when they wish for the school, na anyị ga-anọkwa celebrate kwe more years ahead. I'm happy.
Also, Gonabo. I like Jessica. Kimeruka. I like Jessica.
My brother.
So please, may we know you?
I'm Barrister Sabasil Obioragego, the Vice Chairman of PTA of this great institution, the Holy Infant Gospel Private School.
It's a good thing that we met you here today. What are you here for?
Yes, we are here to celebrate 40 years anniversary of this school and 7 years of graduation of the pupils from this school. And we thank God it's a success because today we have seen that the alma maters are now together and they are trying to uplift the image of this school internationally, not just nationally but internationally. So it's a thing of great joy that this school is moving from great to great, from height to height, and we thank God for that.
What is your wish to them?
My wish to them is more success, and to keep in touch with the modern techniques in teaching. They should bring about teachers who will elevate the image of the school within and beyond the standard of education. Because a situation where we are not moving to the digital age, it may be found wanting that the school is not moving with the digital age. But when we are moving with the digital age, innovations and more productive teachers in place, I think sky is not their limit. They go beyond the sky. So I wish them well. Success upon success upon success. That's my wish. My greatest wish.
Since you become the vice chairman, PTA meeting, what are the experience?
Yes, my experience in this school is that the executive of the teachers are always here to give teachers and the parents that leverage what they fall back on. When parents are agitated, they always ask the PTA, what is the next move? Then we get in touch with the school administration. That's we get the synergy. So I found out that the synergy is the secret behind every success which I have achieved so far since I became the vice chairman. We have synergized with the headmistress and the administration of the school in bringing down information to the parents because they are always agitated. Even little things that does not matter, they always want to know why. So and we are there to give them answers. Having consulted with the school administration and the headmistress. So that's it.
Is there any difficulties?
Yes, you cannot work without difficulties. There are some friction, but these are minor frictions that we have handled. There are frictions in every situation, even in family. There was friction. So the friction we encountered so far is that of not being communication friction. At times the teachers may want to move to the students directly, and then we would like to ask them to use us as the parents, teachers representatives, so that we can be able to reach out to the teachers. Communication problem is what I must say. Once we communicate ourselves, I don't think there's any other problem. Communication is the major friction I found out.
Thank you, Barrister. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Please to meet you too. Thank you.
Transform the nations. Shift the culture. We're here to see. We will raise the dead. Transform the nation.
Hey, say. Give me the Bible. 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 Are you shake the body? Shake the body. 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 Hey, say. Say, I'll give me a day. I want our school lab be very, very creative. Say. maazị akpa tụpụrụ na ala tụpụrụ ka ndị nọ n'azụ ebe ọzọ. Okay. Okay now. Say what? Hey, what's going on here? Oh yeah now. Ogene Wazuka. Hey, everyone got some Ogene Wazuka. Ogene this. Ogene. Hey, oh my God. Oh my God. Ogene Nemezi. Everyone above you, above you. Nejezo, go close, go close. Huh? Hey, oh my God. Hey. I'm not going to go to the okay now. Say. Okay now. Say. Hey. Okay. Buka na buka lo mbaka. Dalo no. Body go ready.